In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a simple but eye-catching way to fold your pocket square. This is called the three-step fold due to the 3 steps on the triangle when you're finished. First thing I want you to do is lay out your pocket square on a flat surface and lay it down flat. Then, fold the top corner under itself until it resembles the diamond on Superman's chest. Pinch the fabric and fold it up 2 times so that way the folds are the same size. You can adjust it as needed to make sure all of the steps are the same size and parallel to each other. Then, when you're ready, carefully pick it up in the middle. Fold in the edges to the width of your pocket. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can adjust it more once it's in your pocket. Then, when you have it looking the way you want, carefully slide it into your pocket, making sure not to undo any of the folds. At this point, you can make any final adjustments as needed to ensure it fits properly and looks fantastic. And there you have it. That was pretty easy, fairly quick to do. And remember, if you make a mistake and it comes undone, don't be afraid to start over. Practice makes perfect.